It's Wednesday, April 17th, and I want to do a quick review for you on the live trade signals and walk you through. We had 3 signals today, one that never filled, one that was a 2-point loss, and one that was a 30-point winner on the S&P. So let's jump right into it. First thing, I just want to point out today, I'm on Pacific time today at 6:30 a.m. We posted right here selling 975 on the NASDAQ, and the target was just 30 points lower. So let me just show you that. That was just going to be just a scalp to start out. Didn't know what the day was going to look like. Let me show you where that came from. So we have this CP up here. That was at 977. I was going a couple points in front of it. And the market, I thought we might get filled before the market opened. It went up to the high was 68.50. I thought it might just pop right up there. We were only like 7 points away from getting filled, and didn't quite get there. And then we were just looking for a move back down in front of, basically from here, I think just down to the midpoint was all I was initially looking at. And just a 30-point scalp, but obviously this ended up selling way off. I didn't want to try to catch the bottom on it. There were some really nice trades on both sides, but didn't want to try to catch the bottom there. So let me show you the other trades here on the S&P. This was also, you can see this was at 632 right here, and that was buying 5106. Now originally, what I thought might happen here, this is the S&P, this is the open over here, and I thought we might just get this move down. We have right here 006. I was trying to buy right off this prediction point, and I had a couple other things that kind of lined up with that. You can see it just kind of blew right through it. It's why we use a stop loss. So that was a 2-point loss. The stop was 5104. No problem. So stopped out, and then I didn't do anything. It took a little while for me to kind of make some sense of what was going on. So the next trade that I posted was at 8:29 a.m. and it was selling 94 quarter and targeting 82 quarter and 64 quarters. So 12 points and 30 points, and the stop was 99 quarter. So let me just show you. I posted that at 8:30. That's over here. So posted it right here. I was thinking maybe we're going to bounce back up there. It took until much later on in the afternoon, but that trade stayed valid. I never canceled it. And then this was 94.50, so I had it one tick in front of the KP. You can see the high here was 97. What I was trying to do was keep the stop up above the bodies of these. So that's where the stop came from. The high here was 98.50, so it went 3 ticks above that. I didn't, you can keep going. Okay, I'm going to go here, I'm going to go here. But then those are just different trades. So I thought if we could just keep it above right here. We had this little one right here. We had these that moved down here right here. But I basically thought here, and then we have the bodies right here. So if we could keep it above the body of those and give it a little bit of room to probe up above here, because I knew that could easily happen. But maybe just keep it above the body of those and see if it came up, hit the body, moved lower. That's what I was thinking. So it did. It only took, what was the swing high? 97. So it only took 2 3/4 points of heat. Used a little bit bigger stop loss than I would like to, but I was trying to catch a really big move. The first exit was down here at 82 quarter. It kind of blew right through that. Stop goes to break even, and then we were holding some. We were looking for 64 quarter. That was right here. And again, I erred on the side. It was actually really like 60.75 was what we were really going for, but I thought this is 30 points. Let's just it's plenty, and so just went for 30 points on that one. So that was it. Those were all the trades for today, and then you can see how the Globex has played out. But that's part of it, part of the methodology and how I'm looking at the charts and breaking things down. I have several different things that I'm looking at. I have There was some stuff in here. This was a mess today, but we came over here. We looked at the prediction point chart and just trying to find a spot to get involved and where something like that would make sense. So there you have it. I want to take a minute and tell you, so there's two different things. We have the live trade room where I stream my chart and I'm trading live on the chart. And then we have the live trade signals where I'm just posting certain trades, and they might not be all the trades that we're doing in the live trade room because some of those trades might require more trade management or more active trade management, et cetera, et cetera. And so what I've had is a number of people saying, is it possible, like if we're in the live trade room, do we get the signals? And so I want to make an offer for you I'm only going to do it for the next 5 people, but the next 5 people that join the live trade room, I'm going to give you the live trade signals. So that's a $3,000 value right now. I'm going to give you that for free for the next 12 months. So if you join the live trade room, we are going to give you the live trade signals for free for an entire year. And again, I'll only do that for the next 5 people that do that. It's going to be, I'll put it in the email that this video will go out in, and I'll put it below in the section of this video, but you can use the code FREESIGNALS. So FREE signals, free signals. That will be the coupon code. That'll give you access to both of those. It'll just tell our system that you're also getting access to signals for an entire year, so you get both of those memberships. So look forward to seeing you there. Hopefully that's helpful, and for a couple of you that have been asking about that, hopefully that makes a difference for you. Look forward to having you in the room with us, and we'll see you there in the morning.